Sup again, la. It's your boy, Big Elijah 1K, man. And I'm back with another video, man. And today, man, you feel me? No, yesterday, I went shopping, bro. What did I buy? Ask yourself, what did I buy? What did I buy? What could he have bought? Did he buy a pool? Did he buy a house? Did he buy some clothes? Did he buy some jewelry? What happened? What did I get, man? Let me show you, man. Let me show you, man. Pat just came in. Let me show you. Let me show you, broski. Let me show you, broski. You feel me?
Scoochie.
A little slight little song, you feel me? A little song.
Scoochie.
Got 2 bags, you feel me? 2 boxes. Gonna do a little unboxing video today, man. You know what I'm saying? A little big money shit. We're gonna start off with this right here, man. Gucci Man the Fleur. They call me Gucci Man the Fleur. Hey, Gucci Man the Fleur. We're gonna start off with this right here. Look.
Scoochie.
This right here, I took a little sneak peek already, but it came with this beautiful wrap. It was wrapped like this, like a ribbon. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful wrap. You know, you can't. It's the little things that matter, bro. That really makes your stay at Gucci feel welcomed. You know what I'm saying? So first off, it was this ribbon that was on here. Nice tied up for me, beautiful shit. You know what I'm saying? When you open it up, it just smells different, but it don't smell like a regular store, you feel me? And then look, the paper, even the paper on it you feel me? Even the paper got a pattern. Come on now, I don't get no better than that. Even the paper, this is the, well, you'll see when you see it. Moment of silence. First off, man, comes in this beautiful bag. You see the bag? Gucci bag. Both of them come in their own Gucci bag, you feel me? I'm gonna put this to the side real quick. Show you what else that comes out the box. Now listen to what I'm telling you right now. If you don't have this card in your box, your shit is fake.
Damn!
If you don't have one of these cards in your box, your shit is fake.
Damn!
This right here is basically, you feel me? They telling you that they checked everything, that the product is valid. This is your validity card right here. This right here, responsibility. You see? Responsibility. You see? Responsibility. You see? I'm telling you, you don't got this on your shit fake.
Damn!
Get into the shoe, man. You feel me? Comes in this little thing right here, little sack. Comes in the sack. Comes in the sack. Doing a sack. Feel me? Pull the sack out. Ooh, you keep that for later. You can put it on your wall. Feel me? Boom. Boom. G's, man. Double G's. Feel me? Got your size right here. Made in Italy. Made in Italy. Made in Italy. If it's not made in, if it's made in China, it's fake.
Damn.
Made in Vietnam, fake.
Damn.
Made in wherever, Spain, fake.
Damn.
Made French, fake.
Damn.
Made France, fake.
Damn!
You feel me? Feel that salt. So we're just gonna pull this out, pull that out, put that back in there. Feel me? There you go again. Made in Italy, you feel me? And then look. Let me give y'all a little. Boom. You got the serial code right here. Boom. Feel me? Right under there, serial code. I don't know if you can see it. But right under there is a serial code, man. You know what I'm saying? Right there is a serial code. So just get a good look at the shoe, man. Get a good look at the shoe. Get a good look at the shoe. Feel me? Get a good look at the shoe. Feel me? It's kissable. So we're gonna put this back in the sack. Put this back in the sack. Put this back in the sack. Hey. You feel me? Gucci Man the Fleur. Gucci Man the Fleur. They call me Gucci Man the Fleur. Ooh, I forgot the I forgot me. See? Yeah, but other than that, man, this shoe is really like, I'm not gonna lie, when I put it, you wanna see it on my feet? That's what you said? You wanna see it on my feet? Alright. You wanna see it on my feet? No problem, bro. It's not a problem. Look how that fit. Look how that shit fit, man. Look how that shit fit, man. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Fits so nice, so good. Fits so good. So good. Looks so nice. Look at this. Come on, man. How could you go wrong? How could you go wrong? Let me stop file. Fuck your girl and some get you flips flops. Ooh, let me shut up. But yeah, man, let me put y'all back right here. Put y'all back right here, man. Put y'all back right here. You mean me? Because the video is not over yet, but we'll put this back in here. Choo. Just like that. Put it back in. Nice packing. You know, we gotta pack our bags. Ooh, don't rip the paper. First shoe. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all. I don't know if I showed you or not. Receipt right here, man. Feel me? Receipt right here. Receipt right here. But if you order it online, it's not gonna come. I don't think it comes with a receipt. Does it? This is my last one. I don't know. Somebody, when you order something, let me know if it comes with a receipt, man. Let me know in the comments, man. Does it come with a receipt or doesn't it come with a receipt? I don't remember, bro. I don't remember. I know it comes with something that shows the price, but I don't know if it comes with a receipt. A receipt of transaction. First one, Gucci slides. Next bag, let me know in the comments what you think is in here. Just comment real quick.
Scoochie.
Just stop and just comment. And what do you think is in here in this bag? Whoever gets this right, I will buy you I'll buy you your next Gucci item is on me. Your next Gucci item is on me if you could guess what is in this bag correctly. Comment it before. You gotta be truthful, bro. Be truthful. Be truthful, bro. Alright, so first we got, there we go. Bag, ain't really got nothing in it. So I'm just put this to the side. Ain't really got nothing in it. Boom, big box. Big box. What do you think is in the big box? Big box. What you think in here, man? What you think is in here? What you think I'm gonna pop out with? What you think I'm gonna pop out with? Be real. What you think is in here, man? In the comments right now. In the comments right now. What do you think is in here? In the comments right now. I'm gonna give y'all 30 seconds, man. Alright, man, let's open it up, bro. Now look how that opens up. You see that? See that? Like it's a treasure box or something. You feel me? Real elegant, you know what I'm saying? Real elegant. You see how that opens up? Look what's in here, look. Got your receipt again. You see that? Receipt again. Ooh, what could this be? Oh my God, what could this be? What could this be? Is you ready for this? Comes with another sack. Add to your collection, another sack. What could this be? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me take this out. Oh my God, here we go again. Made in Italy. Now look, I don't care what nobody say, man. If your shit, it could say made in Italy, but if it ain't got the size right there, that shit fake.
Damn.
If it ain't got the size right here, it's fake, bro.
Damn.
It's not one all fits all. They have size. They got a small, medium, large. So don't get no knockoff, man. You feel me? Don't get no knockoff. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Don't get no fucking knockoff, bro. We got the price tag right here, man. This hat ran me $450 for the hat. You know what I'm saying? Little, you know, slight shit. You know. Ran me $450, but this tag it could come off. There we go. See, they just overlapped it. Yeah, come on, see?
Here we go again.
This is your thing. If you don't have this, your shit is fake.
Damn!
Talk to me, bro. If you don't have this, your shit is fake.
Damn!
This is telling you that they did what they had to do. Your product is valid. This is your product is valid right here. They just added the price tag to it too, so it's a little bit different. That's all it is. Yeah, remember this hat really sweet, man. You can hold it like this. You can do it backwards. You know what I'm saying? You can do it backwards. This is the only annoying part about this hat. This comes down a little bit tag sometimes. It's not really a tag, but it's the size and stuff comes down sometimes. It's adjustable strap. You know what I'm saying? Look at the inside. Inside, you got your Gucci sign right here. See, this is where the medium is. See, it's not one size fits all. Don't never let somebody tell you it's one size fits all, man. Don't let them cheat you, bro. And then look at this. Come on, man. Big Gucci sign. You know what I'm saying? It's not no little Gucci, man. You see the G? How thick it is? It got a little tail at the bottom. Big Gucci sign. You don't see them with a big Gucci sign? Shit fugazi, man.
Damn!
You know what I'm saying? Shit fugazi. We don't do fugazi. You know what I'm saying? We do not do fugazi. But yeah, this ran me a little. It ran me way more than 450, but I just said 450. You know, Gucci tax. You taxing. But yeah, man, that's about it. Put this back in there, cause I'm not using this yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna use it yet. I'm gonna pop out with it later. Maybe later, just follow me on Instagram. Maybe later I drop a post with them. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go buy some more drip. I'm finna review it. Let me know how y'all feel about this video. If you want me to review more drip, you know what I'm saying? Whenever time I get it, like I got the Yeezy slides and stuff. I be getting Gucci belts and stuff, but I never review it. I just wear them. So let me know, man. It's whatever y'all trying to do, bro. Whatever y'all boys trying to do, you could do it. You feel me? Son. Give you one last look. You feel me? Nice. Feel me? You seen the top? Nice. This is the baseball canvas hat. I'm gonna give y'all the names at the end. Go look at the receipts. But yeah, man, that's about it for the video. Just let me know how you feel about his hat. Do you like the hat? What you think? Did you guess it right? Be real, bro. If you guessed it right, I'll probably look out. You know what I'm saying? Probably buy you or something. If I'm not down bad, I'll probably look out for you. You know what I'm saying? But look, there we go right there in the sack. Keep the sacks, man. The sacks. Keep the sacks, bro. Look at that box. Look at that nice box. Look at that. You know. That's it for the video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see some more reviews, you want me to buy a little more drip, you know what I'm saying, review it, see how it fits, see how it, you know what I'm saying? Because that's really what I want to do. I want to make my channel all about, you know, females and doing nasty stuff. I don't want anything like that. I just want to, you know, be me, man. Be me to be able to sell, homie. You feel me? It's not selling. Gotta find another profession. You know what I'm saying? And I hate to have to change my profession. Cause I really love y'all, man. I really love being on the camera. You know what I'm saying? You see that stuff. But like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you happen to pass by and you're a designer junkie, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Tell me to buy it. Give me some things that you think I should buy. I'ma buy it. 9 times out of 10, I'ma buy it, bro. If it really look good and I feel like it's it, I'ma buy it, bro. I'm finna be doing jewelry soon. I'm finna upgrade it soon. Don't worry about that, man. Big VVs. But that's it for the video, man.
I'm at the ER, I think I need surgery. I put my trust in them and they keep on hurting me. Self-paid, it ain't nobody working me. Fleeing and eluding, man, ain't no cracker searching me. They burping me, I'm fishtailing. How you got a dope charge, fish scaling?